What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just want to show you a unique greeting card that I picked up here, and this is how it comes. So it's just going to be a little quick hit here. First of all, we get this little iridescent, almost pearlescent envelope here, and it's pretty big and quite a bit bigger than your normal envelope. And you can see here we have a punched out hole because you're going to tie it together with this ribbon, because the greeting card, well, pretty standard greeting card size, is actually made out of bamboo. So what you can see here is it's pretty thick. 2 sheets of bamboo. This is cut out, negative space right there. The paper that is glued on the inside will make these color filled, and it says I love you. So if you have someone that you want to give an I love you card to, Valentine's Day, wedding, just because, you can buy this little bamboo card. And what I love about it is that it's kind of protected on its own, so you can keep this a very long time. Now, the inside here is just paper. Obviously, some big space there that you can write on. But what I love about this is that you can stand it up just like that, have something that hopefully will last longer than paper, but has quite a bit more presence than just a paper cardboard card. Now, I will say I unboxed this one a few days ago, and you can see that the bamboo is starting to bow a little bit, but I don't think that matters. It still works just fine, just like that. So, if you want to have a card that stands out from the rest of them, maybe you should try a wooden bamboo card. I'll put a link to this one in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.